another remix here. This is very repetitive. Once you get it, I want you to feel it, okay? Like deep in your soul. Everything again. Take it back. One more time. All right, we're gonna jump to the right. Single, single, double right here. Kickball change sideways, then front and back. Then you pivot, turn. Again to the left. Ball change, side to side, front to back, pivot, turn. Same thing to the right, let's go. Up. Last side. We're gonna take a walk right here. Slide back step, 2 rolls, little heel flick. Same thing, other side. Slide, slide, 2 hips. Let's do it again. Up. 2 rolls. We're gonna go back to the top. That's it, you know it all. Take it back. Are you guys ready? 2 more of these, and then we're gonna hit that right side, single, single, double jump. And I want you to do it with all the energy and passion that you have left. Let's go. You feel it? I feel it. 4, 3, 2, let's go. Up. Front to back. Turn it out. Up. Two more. Right side, left side.